So this is an example of a phishing attack on PayPal. Again, phishing attacks happened a lot and they still happen. So there was a different URL, it wasn't quite PayPal. So it started with PayPal just so that users wouldn't be, alarmed so easily. But then it was under a different domain, right? Some attacker held domain. And the user actually filled in a bunch of information such as their PayPal password and whatnot in a form and submitted the form, which was received by the attacker. Let's say the attacker was receiving the form. And then the user was just basically, so found out all kinds of information about the user. This was also mounted on eBay as well. And then maybe they say, oh, this listing was removed and then redirected to the actual website. Okay. So as soon as you went to this attacker site and you input your credentials, the attacker has them and they just can say, oh, there's an issue, or redirect you to the real website because they don't know how to handle the rest. They don't have all the state that the web server has. So is it clear what the phishing attacks tries to do? Any question? So again, it just tries to get the user to go to an actually bad host name, and actually the host name of the attacker, which might look which will display a web page that looks like the web page the user is expecting, like an actual PayPal or eBay, but in fact it's the attacker's web server, and the attacker receives all the information you provide on that site. Okay. Any questions about phishing attacks? Okay, so that's the basic premise.